How to use green screen effect in VN. First of all, open the app and select the project you want to edit. Then tap on the gallery with the plus icon and select the photos or import a video that has a green screen background. Make sure the clip has a solid green background for the best result. Tap on the clip and scroll the bottom toolbar to find the Chroma option. Tap on it and use the color picker to select the green background you want to remove. Adjust the intensity and speed to remove the background cleanly and make your subject stand out. Once the background is removed, you can see the main video behind the subject layer. Beyond allows you to position, scale and animate the background for a professional look. Preview your video to ensure the green screen effect looks smooth and natural. If needed, make further adjustments to the chroma key settings. Now you know how to use the green screen effect in VN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.